This video is going to show you how you can set assignments for the children who are in your class. You can also set them for individual children, which we will also cover. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down the side to assignments, and this shows me all of the previous assignments that have been assigned to children in my year group. So I'm going to close that for now and click create, and we're going to create an assignment rather than a quiz. Then this little pop-up will come up and you need to decide which class you want to create an assignment for. Now at our school we always do it for the year groups rather than the individual classes, but that will be decided by your SLT. So I'm going to select Test Year 5 and click Next. The title of the assignment, if for example it's the English week beginning 12th of October. Now again this will be determined by SLT what they want you to call it for consistency. And then any instructions that you need to add. So please read the attached document and submit your work after checking thoroughly. Now again, this will be agreed by your SLT and you can add some resources here. So by clicking on Add Resources, this will upload any documents that you want them to read or to use. Say for example, you're giving them some scaffolded writing frames. And I'm going to attach my document as a PDF. A Word document is then editable, which can get quite complicated, so a PDF is the best way to go forward. So if I attach that, it's going to upload it, and we can click Done, and I can see then that it's attached. I'm going to make a separate video about adding a rubric, so you can watch that if you're going to use a rubric, and you would click and add that. And then here, this is assigning it to this team. And it can go to all students, or if you have specific children that you want it to go to, you can click their name. This would be a list of all of the students in your team. So if I'm just going to send it to one student, or for example, if I change my mind, I can clear that and it will go to all students. And then the due date. Now, it's quite useful to click on the edit button because then that gives you different options. So you can schedule the assignment to post in the future if you want to post it automatically. Say for example it's due, you're going to post it on Friday and you can choose the time that it's going to post, so say Friday at 8 AM, and then it can be due the following Friday, or this is Thursday, sorry, at 8 AM, it could be due the following Thursday at 4 PM. And there's also the option of a close date, which is that it means that you can have late allowances. So it will post on Thursday, it's due on Thursday, and if you have a close date, then that gives you, say, until Monday, where they can submit their assignments late. And after Monday, there'll be no more submissions. If you want Thursday the 22nd to be your final submission, then that would be it. You would get rid of the close date, but this just allows anybody who's a little bit late to still submit them until Monday. Now if I click done, then it will save my details. If I don't want to schedule it, say I want to post it now, I'm going to untick schedule to assign in the future. It can be due still on the 22nd and the late until the 26th. Or just close that and it will just be the 22nd. So it's done, it will automatically save those changes. Now you want to change the notification section at the bottom, so we want to change. Now if your assignment is for all students, then you can actually change where the notifications go. So you can change and edit that so that they go to the channel week beginning 12th of October or the correct week depending on when you're assigning it. If you don't have any other channels listed here, then you'll need to create a new channel for the correct week. But say for example I'm going to post it in this channel, and then I can see that everything is ready to go and I can schedule that work. Now for the example of today, I'm going to assign it so that it's not a scheduled post, because then I can show you that it pops up straight away. So it's due on the 22nd, it's going to go into the week beginning 12th of October, and I'm going to press assign. If I go onto assignments, it says that it's been mentioned down here, it gives me a little notification, and I can see then that in my test year 5, So if I go to my team, test year 5, week beginning 12th of October, this is the assignment, and it automatically pops up in this channel for the children. The other way that they can access it is by going to the assignments channel. So there's 2 ways. They can view the assignment and they can then complete the assignment as well.